speak to a little guy, all he needs is a little luck. Started with my friend Jack. Jack is a smuggler. Jack smuggles exotic animals and animal parts all around the world. Jack takes risks for his woman. So what do you do for a woman when the little guy knows that her daddy runs the whole damn world with his business figures and his gun triggers? Little girls known in all states, that's west and east, stoned or sober, she's known, and now she's stolen. So what do you do for a woman when all you can hear are the toucan calls and the Baruch's mad cries? Turn on the radio, leave it on, cure the madness with a Bruce Springsteen song. And I know you love her, but you gotta get her finger off that radio dial and let the radio play so you can forget about it, Jack. So you can turn out the nagging, so you can forget about it, Jack. There's a monkey on your back.